This is looking north on Main Street. This is the old church, the old Hunt Memorial Library, and the first church in the background. There's Peddler's Daughter. That's looking up at Library Hill. I don't know if you can see the monument. It's a piece of it. Got that in that story. Right now I want to show you the Bicentenial Monument here on Main Street Bridge. Look over here. This is it right here. It's in the state of the shape of New Hampshire. In the shape of the state of New Hampshire. Let me move along. Let's see what it says. Yeah, it says up there, it's free or die. Travel down the state. As evolutionary. Travel down. Let's see what else we say here. That, folks. Go down to the very bottom. You don't see much. So, there is something on the backside. I'll show you that. There's a little plaque here. Let's see that. You can read all that. It's good, man. Check it out. And that's behind the plaque of the state of New Hampshire for the Bicentenial Park. It ain't much of a park. Look around. This is cool. The wooden moose. If you look down river, you can see the old mills. Turned into apartments now. Clock tower. But over here we got another little stone I wanted to show you. And this is Bicentenial Park stone. So I guess it's for this park, huh? As I said, it ain't much of a park, as you can see. Bench and well, here we got sidewalk on a little puppy. There's Main Street. The old telegraph building. I used to work in there years and years and years ago. Monument in New Hampshire. Across the river, Peddler's Daughter. There's the bridge. There's the Grace Fellowship Church. And we saw some benches, so yeah, I guess I can call it a park. It's got benches, and there's our wooden moose. And this is the rest of the park. Back around. This has been part of tripsofgulliver.com, and you can also find it on Gulliver, Travels of Gulliver, thetravelsofgulliver.com.